What is Prebore, and how do I know which one to get? When purchasing a cabinet door on Cabinet Now, one of the questions you will be asked is if you want your door pre-bored for hinges. We are able to bore for compact conceal hinges and European-style hinges that go inside of your cabinet box. For most of our doors, we offer two boring patterns. The first is a cup-only option. This option will feature a 35mm hole for the hinge to be pressed into, along with pilot holes for your screws. This bore will be placed 3 inches from the top or bottom of the door. For the distance from the edge, you can choose either 3mm or 5mm. The cup and dowel option has all the same features, with the exception of the pilot holes. Instead, there are 8mm holes on either side of the bore hole to accept plastic dowels. Then, screws are inserted into the dowels to lock the hinge into place. For more information, visit our pre-bore option in our FAQ section on our website. If you have any questions regarding pre-boring, email us or give us a call. We're always happy to help.